transform chores into workouts.
Did you know your daily chores can double as exercise? Simple actions like sweeping, vacuuming, or carrying groceries burn calories and strengthen muscles. With a little creativity and intention, you can turn routine tasks into effective mini workouts. Let's explore practical ways to boost your fitness through activities you already do at home and while running errands.
Maximize cleaning for full body benefits.
Cleaning is a calorie burner when done with energy. Speed up your movements while sweeping, mopping, or scrubbing. Add lunges or squats while picking things up, or perform calf raises while washing dishes. Engaging your core and maintaining good posture further increases muscle use, helping you get stronger and fitter as you tidy up.
Errands on the move.
Turn errands into fitness adventures. Walk or bike instead of driving for nearby trips. When shopping, park farther from the entrance and carry bags evenly to engage arm and back muscles. Climb stairs instead of using elevators or escalators. Over time, these small efforts build endurance and promote heart health without disrupting your daily routine.
Make laundry day active.
Squat to load and unload the washer, or alternate arms when carrying baskets. Add side steps as you fold or hang clothing. Challenge yourself with short bursts of speed between tasks. These extra moves help tone muscles and burn more calories, turning laundry day into an opportunity for fitness.
Benefits beyond calories.
Active chores improve more than just your waistline. Regular movement boosts mood, enhances flexibility, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. By transforming daily tasks into workouts, you're not only saving time, but also investing in your overall well-being. Next time you do chores, remember, you're doing more for your health than you might think.